Welcome to a Mastering Basic English Conversation, Beginner's Guide to Fluent Speaking. In this video, we will equip you with the essential skills to engage in simple conversations in English. Let's start with greetings. When meeting someone, you can say hello or hi. To respond, you can reply with a hello, how are you? Next, let's look at introducing yourself. You can say, my name is. To ask someone their name, simply say, what is your name? To talk about where you are from, you can say, I am from. To ask someone about their nationality, say, where are you from? Conversing about personal interests is important. You can say, I like or I enjoy. To ask someone about their interests, say, what do you like to do in your free time? When discussing professions, you can say, I am a. To inquire about someone's occupation, ask, what do you do for a living? Let's move on to discussing daily routines. You can say, I wake up at, I have breakfast at, I go to work school at. Ask someone about their daily routine. Say, what do you usually do in the morning, afternoon, evening? To express likes and dislikes, you can say, I like or I don't like. For example, I like watching movies or I don't like spicy food. To ask someone about their preferences, say, what do you like? Finally, remember to use polite phrases such as please, thank you, and excuse me in your conversations. These small gestures will greatly improve your communication skills. Practice these basic conversations daily to enhance your fluency. Thanks for watching our video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more language learning content.